Hello, Ecology students. I decided to create a screencast here to describe the next assignment we're going to do, which is on biomes. And the definition of a biome is a large geographical area with distinct plant and animal species maintained by climatic conditions specific to that region. Essentially, the land biomes that we're going to look at are the tundra, the taiga, tropical forest, grassland, desert, and temperate forest. And the reason we're looking at biomes in ecology class is because it's good to have a general idea of what animals and plants live in these regions. And we're going to talk about adaptations as well, how animals and plants adapt to these biomes based on the climate, which is really fun to look at. In addition, we know that certain biomes are impacted more by humans than others. For example, if we think about the tropical rainforest as a biome, currently it's being deforested at a really large or high rate. So we want to look at the tropical rainforest and as a biome discover what are the importance, what are the resources there, and what's the devastation to the planet when things like those particular plants and animals are being lost from the tropical rainforest at a really high rate. Now the assignment that you're going to do is you're going to be using the Blogger app. So first step is for you to go on your iPad and download Blogger. And if you haven't used it before, it's pretty simple to use. And you're going to choose a biome to research. As you choose it, let me know which one you're going to do. And when you create your blog, you're going to name it SPHS Ecology and then your initials after that. And you're going to send me the link when you're done. For this assignment, you're going to have 4 to 6 posts. The first post that you're going to do is going to be a geographic location of that biome. So for example, if you choose the desert, where would you find the desert on the map? And preferably I want you to look at North America. So if you think about the US, where are our deserts located? So you're going to, for that particular post, post the map and write a caption describing the countries located in your chosen biome. And for the second app, you're going to look at climate. It has a distinct climate. What's the precipitation, the rainfall, and the temperature of that biome? You're going to find a Google image, and then you're going to describe the climate in your post. The third one is going to be on vegetation. What are the major plants that live in that particular biome? And you're going to have a couple of images of those and describe how those plants are suited or adapted to the climate of your biome. That's really fun. Your fourth post is on animals. Again, really fun to look at what animals live in those biomes. You're going to find some images, at least 2, and describe what are the adaptations those animals had to make to live in that particular climate. So if you think about polar bears, right, that's an easy one in the tundra. What are some things that polar bears have in their bodies, either behavior, physical adaptation, or physiological, that enables them to be able to live in the cold climate? Finally, the last one is soil conditions. This one's a little bit harder to find, but each biome should have some distinct conditions of the soil. For example, in the tundra, you're going to look at something like permafrost. So if you have a hard time with the soil conditions, let me know and I can help you. To do a search, it's pretty easy. You're going to just type in biomes. The ones that I have used in the past that have worked really well are this one, the Blue Planet Biomes website, and this one down here, Biomes of the World, and this is a website that works really well. So that's what we're working on in class today, and if you have any questions, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you.